Hi, my name is David Adler. This is my Eclipse assignment for the random number generator guessing game. So, my citation right here. I imported Java util random for scanner for random. I have a scanner to collect user input. I have random r equals new random to help create the random number generator, which right here generates the number up to 10,000. I have the if statement. If it's less than 0, then random equals random number minus 1 times minus 1. Then I have the random plus 1 here. Okay. Setting my minimum right here of 1 and my maximum right here of 10,000. While true, do while. Please enter value between low and high. This continues while the player guesses correctly or until they guess correctly. And if they guess correctly, winner. Else if guess is higher, and else for if guess is lower, and then it's closing my scanner. So let's run it. Okay. Alright, 4369, got winner. And that was a random number. Let's try it again. See if it will generate the random number. So we'll try 4369. And it is different this time. So, yeah, it works. That is all.